Hello everyone. Today's video, I'm going to be going over my curve modeling hacks / life hacks. So I want to create a barrier right on this ridge right there. So I'm going to go shift right mouse button to shift A and add in a Bezier curve. Next, we're going to just scale it down, but we're going to type into edit mode and press X and delete the vertices. You want no vertices. Next is I'm going to hit the draw function right there on the left hand side, and just as important, go to the tool function on the top right and switch the depth from cursor to surface. And we're going to draw a sort of a straight line, but preferably a straight line in my case scenario. You can see it just draws the curve right on the surface. So then I'm going to press W, and I'm going to go, I need to delete these two or dissolve them by doing Control X. And this middle one, definitely want to dissolve them by Control X. Select the two vertices, S, Y, 0, to give them a perfect straight line. Now you can see it's perfectly straight, and now I want to create a barrier from this. So I'm going to go down low, I'm going to select one of these little posts, I'm going to go Shift E, and I'm going to click my curve. Those two, I'm going to go numpad forward slash to go into my own little private view, and I'm going to go Alt G to these little posts. This will reset their location to 0, to the origin basically. And I'm going to add in a curve modifier. And for the curve object, I'm just going to select this Bezier curve that I created. And you can see it's kind of wonky when I move it around. The way we get around that is we need to go Control A, sorry, location. And you can see it snaps them up there. But why is the mirror modifier not working? Well, we just got to move our curve modifier to the front. And then now you can see it's a little too spread out, so I'm just going to factor in the X and find a good value that I like. And I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to go select this curve and tab into edit mode again, and I'm just going to move it along the X just a little bit more so it goes into that curve. And now with it selected, I'm going to go Shift D, GZ, go straight up. And now we're going to go add in a modifier, mirror modifier, just to do things. We're going to be duplicating this, so just do all the work now. And I'm going to go into the curve data, and I'm going to change the depth to about something a little bit realistic. It may change, it may be different for you guys. I'm going to go Shift D, GZ, Shift D, GZ again, and now we have a barrier very quickly done in like under I can crank these out in under a minute.